A very lovely good morning to all my dear students. My lovely kids, I hope that you all will be fine and in a good situation at your home. Today it is our English class, and in this class we are going to do chapter number 23, that is vocabulary development. First part that we have already done, in that we did homophones, and now we are going to do B part. So B part is related to opposite words. So today we are going to do opposite words. Opposite words, this is pair of two words. A pair of two words and their meanings are opposites. Separate meanings they have. So today I will going to show you some pictures, and in that picture, with the help of these pictures, you can easily know about opposite words. So in this picture, here you can see cold and hot. Ice is cold, but its opposite fire, that is very hot. So the opposite of this hot is cold. And when you get up in the morning, what do you see? You see sun, that is day. And when you go to sleep at that time, what did you see? You see stars, moon, and you can see at that time the cloud, the sky, that is dark. So in the morning you see light, and in the evening you see, at night you see dark clouds, dark sky. So day, and the opposite word for the day is night. Okay, yes. And here one more picture. See, here this girl, it is looking very pretty, very beautiful, and this boy is not so handsome, he is dirty. So what do we say? We can say the opposite word for dirty is clean, or the opposite word of clean is dirty. Okay, and few more words, few more pictures I am going to show you. See, in the first picture the girl is sleeping, and the next picture the girl is awaking. So the opposite word is sleep, awake. Sleep, awake. Say sleep, sleep, sleep. Awake, awake, awake. Asleep, sleep, sleep. Awake, awake, awake. So the opposite word of asleep is awake. Okay. And if sometimes when you ask your mother for anything, and at that time you didn't get that, so how do you feel at that time? You feel so sad. And when you get that thing, what do you see? You find happiness in your, so at that time you laugh, you didn't cry. So the word opposite of sad is happy. What? The boy is happy and the girl is looking so sad. So the opposite of sad is happy, or I can say the opposite of happy is sad. Isn't nice? Yeah, very well done. So today I think so, I must be sure that you have learnt about opposite words. Opposite words are the pair of words that have different meanings. Yes, so here you can see mouse and an elephant. The size of this elephant is big and it is small. So big and small. Sorry, big and small. Big and small, big and small. So the opposite word of big is small. So like this, there are so many words, they have their opposites also, and these are given in your books. Okay, so what you have to do, you will learn these words very nicely and you will complete your work in your grammar book. Okay, so opposite words, these are very easy. Opposites are the words that have pair and their meanings are opposite, totally different, like happy and sad, come and go, day and night. So these are the different words. These words are known as opposite words. So you complete your work in your grammar book. We will meet in the next class, in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.